Good morning, students. Welcome back to our class once again. At the very beginning, I'm very happy that you people are responding to our class very nicely. And I ask you to solve a few questions, and I ask you to solve whatever question I'm solving or explaining in your copy. And I ask to you people to be in touch with me. I got so many of you are sending the solved questions through WhatsApp only. You people are sending the photos of the solved questions through WhatsApp, which is very nice to see. So be in touch, and whatever, if you are having any doubts or problems, you can ask me. So most of you have you are in touch with me, and in the last few days you have sent me lots of solved questions from your exercises, and I am very pleased that you people are responding like that. So you just be in touch and be in touch your studies also. So that's very nice to see. Into now, I hope if you have any doubts further, you will be in touch as usual like that only. Okay, so thanks for this one. Anyway, today we are going in the last class what we did, we discussed about exercise 7.1 and 2. Last class we have discussed about this one, exercise 7.2, the very first question, and I hope all of you have understood this question, and some of you have done it in your copy and you have sent it through the WhatsApp. Okay, which is very nice. Okay, anyway, today I'm going to explain question number 2 from that particular exercise only, and I'm going to give you a few concepts with regards to those questions. Okay, so at the beginning we just have to see the question properly, which is very easy. Try to listen to the question properly and try to understand the questions. Whatever the given information is there, try to understand it properly. Okay, so now in this question it is given that in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. See the given figure, so that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. We have to show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so now we have to draw the figure. It is given in your book only. See the given figure properly, ABC in triangle ABC. So first let me draw the figure. This is triangle ABC. ABC. This one is AD. Okay, so now triangle ABC is there. ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector. Look at, observe the word perpendicular bisector. It is given that AD is the perpendicular bisector. The word has its own meaning, and with the help of that meaning only we have to use these meanings in terms of mathematics, right? So now look at here, perpendicular bisector means this AD line is perpendicular to this BC. That means this angle and this particular angle, both the angle will be 90 degree. The word perpendicular means that one only. That means angle ADC and ADB will be 90 degree each. Okay, after that bisector, as I told in the last class itself about angle bisector. Angle bisector means the line which divides the angle into two equal parts. And when it comes to the perpendicular bisector means this side bisect this BC side into two equal parts. That means from B to D and from D to C, both will be equal in length. That means dividing this side into two equal parts. BD is equal to CD, right? So from these two words we got to know that these two angles are 90 degree and these two sides are equal. That means BD is equal to CD. These are the given things. What we are supposed to show, we need to show that ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. This AB side is equal to AC side. That is what we are supposed to show. Okay, now you just see here, for showing this one, these two sides are equal. If we observe the figure properly, this is one different triangle and this is another triangle. Here two triangles are there. First of all, we will show that these two triangles are congruent. Now how to show? You all are familiar with this, yes or no? I hope all of you are, right? Okay, anyway, first of all we have to show that these two triangles are congruent. Given thing, you just note it down by yourself. As I already told, AD is the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means that ADC, angle ADC is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree given, and BD is equal to CD given. Okay, so given things, what we can write, if you want it I will write. Given thing is what? In triangle ABC it is given that AD is the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so in triangle ABC AD is the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so it is given, as I told you, as I discussed, as I explained, the meaning of perpendicular bisector, that should be written in symbolically. We can write what? AD is the perpendicular bisector. So that means what we can write, see the figure, perpendicular bisector of BC, and apart from this, in the question is given that so that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So ABCD is perpendicular bisector. That means what? That is angle ADC is equal to angle ADB. Both are 90 degree. Both the angles are 90 degree. And BD is equal to CD. This is given. These are the two data given. What we need to show? We need to show that what? We just need to show that ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. That is AB side is equal to AC side. This is what we have to show. Let's see the showing procedure. What can I do? As I told you, to just take the two triangles, that is triangle ABD and triangle ACD. These are the two triangles we must take. So in those triangles, just write down what are the equal parts. You just write down, you just note it down. Equal parts, just see the two triangles and note down the equal parts. Okay, here first of all we can write BD side is equal to CD side, given. Okay, apart from this, I'm plenty of times I've been keep repeating these things, that as soon as this type of figure comes, common boundary is there, just note it down, observe it. Initially you should note it down. As soon as this common line, common angle or common boundary line comes out, common side comes out, you just keep it in your mind. So here in this case AD is common, that should be marked straight away. So here AD is equal to AD common. Okay, so here this side is common. Two sides I have got. Where are those two sides? Which are those two sides? One is this side, another one is this side. And in between the two sides, this angle is included, that is 90 degree. And in between these two sides, this angle is included. So we must not forget about to write these two angles as well, which is given, right? So write that also. Angle ADC is equal to angle ADB. Both are 90 degree in measure. Okay, now look at the criteria that is fulfilled according to this figure. Here the criteria that I have used is side angle side, if I am not wrong. Look at here, side, this is the side, this is the angle which is included, and this is the side angle side. In this triangle also, this is the side, this is the angle, and this is the side. So the rule that I have used here, side angle side. Therefore I can write triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ACD. The rule I have used is SAS rule. Okay, so now once we are able to show that these two triangles are congruent, we can write what we can write. I hope all of you know. Yes or no? I hope all of you know. So yes or no? I can write corresponding parts are equal. So here in this case, what we write? AB is equal to AC. Therefore write it straight away. Therefore write AB is equal to AC by CPCT. CPCT. Okay. So these two sides are equal. That is what we are supposed to prove. Two sides are equal means it is an isosceles triangle. So write the statement, thus triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so that's what we are supposed to prove. I hope all of you understood this question. All of you are having some sort of idea regarding congruence of triangle. Okay, so next is, again I will tell you, be in touch. Okay, if you have any problem with regards to these classes, with regards to your course, with regards to any topics, don't hesitate to be in touch with me. Okay, try to be in touch with me. If you have any problems, just ask me. Okay, anyway, let's go through these lessons properly. Thank you.